In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a Smartsheet item and embed it in SharePoint. We'll start in Smartsheet. Open the specific sheet, report, or dashboard that you want to display on your SharePoint page. Take a quick moment to confirm the content is ready for others to see. Publishing makes the item available to anyone with the published link or to anyone who can view your SharePoint page, so avoid including confidential information. Next, look for the control to share it publicly. Depending on the item type, you'll either see an option labeled Publish, or you may need to click Share to find the publishing settings. The wording can vary by view, but your goal is to reach the publishing panel for that sheet, report, or dashboard. In the publishing panel, turn on Publishing. You'll usually see a toggle or switch to enable it, along with choices for how people can view the content. Pick the option that best fits your needs, such as a read-only view. When publishing is turned on, Smartsheet generates two useful outputs: a direct link that anyone can open, and an embed code that you can place inside other sites. Now, copy either the published link or the embed code. If you want the Smartsheet content to appear inline on your SharePoint page, the embed code is typically the best choice. If you prefer a simple button or hyperlink that opens Smartsheet in a new tab, copy the published link, switch over to SharePoint and open the page where you want to add Smartsheet. Edit the page to add your content, insert a new section or use an existing one, then add a web part suited to your choice. If you have the embed code, add an embed web part. If you copied the published link, add a link or a website web content web part, depending on your SharePoint experience. Paste the Smartsheet link or embed code into the web parts field. You should see a preview appear. If the preview doesn't load, confirm that you used the correct code type for the web part and that your organization allows embedding from Smartsheet. Many environments require that Smartsheet.com be approved for embeds. Adjust the web part's size or layout so the grid or dashboard is easy to read. Finally, publish your SharePoint page. As soon as you publish, viewers will be able to access the Smartsheet content. Any updates you make in Smartsheet will automatically reflect on the SharePoint page, so you can maintain your data in one place and keep your site always up to date.